2:3. Their perimeter 36 centimeter. Find AB, BC and AC. Find length of AB, BC and AC. And the three altitude are 1:2:3 and their perimeter 36. Find AB, BC and AC. Fine. Start. BE and CL. All their altitude. All the altitude area of triangle ABC. Come. Half into base. Suppose BC into height. Here x, 2x and 3x into x. So BC x by 2. Now area of triangle ABC, base change. Half into base AB and height 2x. So ABX. Area of triangle ABC, half into base AC into height 3x. Here AC 3AC into x by 2. Here BC x by 2 equal to ABX equal to thrice ACX by 2. All the area of the triangle ABC? Yes. So all the area equal. So x, x, x cancel. Let equal to suppose A. And then BC equal to 2K. BC equal to 2K. And AB equal to K. AB equal to K. And AC equal to 2K. 2K by 3. 2K by 3. And the perimeter are given. What is the perimeter? 36. Adding. Perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CA. AC also. Here 36 centimeter equal to here AB K, BC 2K and AC 2K by 3. 36 centimeter 3K plus 2K by 3. Here 36 9K plus 2K by 3. 36 into 3 equal to 11K. Then K equal to 108 by 11. Get K value and find the value of BC. Here AB equal to K. AB length. Here AB length 108 by 11. BC length. BC length 2K. 2 into 108 by 11. 216 by 11. AC length. Here 2. BC 2K. Here 2K by 2 into 108 by 3. 72. Here centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. All the three side length. Make fast. BC. ये ABCD ये parallelogram AB length equal to BC and BC length equal to AD. Area of parallelogram base into height. ये base 18, height 3. ये area also given. Here confuse here 18. So BC length also the 18. Area are given. So find the BC area 144 centimeter square equal to BC into A. BC into A as perpendicular here 4. Then BC equal to 144 by 4. Here BC equal to 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. Here AOC equal to OD. To prove area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ABD. ABD. Here CN and DN. So area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height. Here area of triangle ABD equal to half into base into height. Here their length are equal, their height are also equal. So area of triangle ABC equal to half into base AB and height CN, the first. Now area of triangle ABD equal to half into base AB into DN, and here CN equal to DN. So area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle AB. You can solve the question number A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. What is the meaning of penta? 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. A line draw B parallel to AC. Parallel to AC. Meet BC and DC, produce at F here. this parallel. So area of triangle ACB, first proof, area of triangle ACB equal to area of triangle ACF first, and second, area of triangle area AEDF equal to area ABCDE. Property apply. The same base between same parallel lines, area are equal. Here, first listen. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ACF. Same base between the same parallel line. Same base and same parallel lines. So area are equal. Why equal? Same base AC and between the same parallel line, area of ACF and area of triangle ACB. Same base and between same parallel area are equal. And both sides adding this part here AECD, add them. So area of triangle AEDF. This part adding this part, or this part adding this. So area of AEDF equal to area of pentagon ABCD. Understood? Right? Equal to area of triangle ACF. Region AC base and AC parallel to BF. Same base between same parallel lines, area are equal. Both sides adding area ACDE, adding. So area of triangle ABC plus area ACDE equal to area ACF plus area ACDE. Here ABC plus ACDE, area pentagon ABCDE equal to area AEDF. Finish. What is here? XY parallel to BC. So area of triangle XYB equal to area YXC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Same base between same parallel lines. And both sides adding the area AXY. So area AXC equal to area AY.
Sir, subtracting also from area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle B.
XY parallel to BC. So area of triangle XYB equal to area XYC. Both sides adding area AXY. Here area AXY plus area XYB equal to area XYC plus area AXY. So area of here AXY and XYB, so AXC, area AXC equal to area AY. Finish.